Hey guys, this is Jerk again and welcome to my channel, and this is another Vlogmas day. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Bistro Rosario para kunin yung surprise ni Gats. Actually, hindi ko ina-expect ito. I was very surprised na mangyayari to because meron akong pinost last week yata about Bistro Rosario, and I posted that kasi I just want to support my friend Gats. So, I never expect something na bibigay sa akin or makukuha ko. I just would like to support him sa business nila. So, right now I'm very excited kasi makakatikim na naman ako ng cake nila. Sobrang sarap. So, let's go ahead. Almost late na. Wala pa akong tulog. So, punta na tayo para makuha na yung surprise nila. Let's go! Hi guys, dito ako sa loob ng Rosario, Bistro Rosario, and I just received the cake. Masyadong masarap. Then I'm with Gats right now. Yo!
What's up? What's up?
He's the man who beat the cake, guys.
Hindi. We're having a monthly parang event or promo. Tapos siya yung nanalo for this month.
Yay!
And then, nanalo siya ng Mango Charlotte. And then, yun, we're doing this, I think, for every month. And then, if you guys wanna join, it's for free lang. Just follow us on Instagram and Facebook for the instructions.
Yes, follow them on Instagram, Bistro
Yes.
Rosario, and visit their store also, and their kiosk sa mga malls, diba?
We have in... Meron ata kami sa Gmall ata, di ako sure. Meron kami sa Abriza, meron kami sa SM Egolan, SM Lanang, and I think meron sa Gmall, I think.
Hindi siya sure. Basta dagdating. Yan, thank you again, guys. Thank you
Sure.
again, bro. See you sa
Yes.
next time. Bye, guys. And I'm back sa bahay. Kanina lang ako dumating sa bahay. Nilagay ko lang sa ref yung cake para sumarap siya lalo. Then, we're going to taste now the cake, and I'm very excited. Medyo matagal na yung last na nakatikim ako nito, and let's see kung ganun pa rin. I'm so excited! sobrang sarap. So, ang cake nila is sakto yung mango taste. Hindi siya in-overpower. Sakto rin yung sweetness. At saka the best part of the cake is sobrang soft ng cake na main reason ba't ako na fall in love sa kanilang cake. And yeah, so if you want to taste and experience the delicious cake of Bistro Rosario, go ahead and buy and visit their kiosk sa SM Lanang, G Mall, Abriza, and SM City Davao. And also visit their main store sa Torres Street. And their store is not only selling this type of cake, they also have different cakes. You can also ask them to personalize it if you want to. Don't forget to follow and like their Facebook page and Instagram, Bistro Rosario, so that you can win like me for food or cake. Just check their pages so you will know how you can win this cake or their food. So that's it, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Again, thank you very much, Bistro Rosario, for giving me this beautiful, delicious cake. And by the way, guys, in addition, Bistro Rosario the business was created back in 1962. So this is proudly Davao made, and support local, support Davaoenyo products. And yeah, visit again Bistro Rosario and share and post also your delicious experience while eating your Bistro Rosario food. Okay? So thank you very much for watching, guys. This is Jeric again. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and adventures to come. Have a great day. Bye bye.